is.
That's a big fish.
Yep, it's a good one. Whoa. Okay, bring him to Pat.
Oh, he's big, Morgan. Hold on. Stop reeling. Now lift
Lift.
right up a little.
Oh, just pick him up and bring him to Pat. Oh. Oh, he's...
So big.
Hey.
Oh,
He's huge.
He's a football.
that is 10.
Wow.
That's a 10-point fish?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, good call.
Big. And score is 10 and 1.
You're the one keeping score.
Yeah, it says.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, that means it counts as 9.
Big water, too.
Counts as 9.
Hey.
That's
Splash
9.
Morgan.
Yeah, Splash
The
Morgan.
hook came right out.
Nice.
Awesome.
Want to hold him, Morgan? Hand me the pole. Hand me the pole.
No, I want to see him. Hey, he's the exact color of the pole. When you take it out of the water, see?
Uh-huh.
No, that doesn't go.
There you go.
Bye-bye. He's going really slow.
Nice.
How many points is that?
10.
10.
And that's... That'll be 4 for me.
Whoa. Another good one.
10 points.
10 points?
Good.
That's a 10-point fish?
Yeah, get the hook off top. Oh, it's out. Almost. My dad just pulled it. So it's almost out. Whoa, he got it really good.
You want to let him go, Morgan?
Yeah, here. Okay. Go, go.
Bye, fish.
I like it. Can I always do the net? I got it!
Big fish.
He's fighting! Fighting!
No to the net.
Laughing!
Okay.
Wow.
That was exciting. It's a good fish.
Okay, get the hook off so I can see him. And pet him. See how smooth he is.
Maybe you want to hold him this time.
Is he going to jump out of it? Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Because my fish are strong. That is a 20. Wait, I just see if it's a 20 or a 50. Or a 60 or 80 or 90 or 100. Let's see it. Let's see it.
You want to hold him?
Okay, wait. And let him go.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get a picture?
Yep.
Watch your pole. Get your pole.
Here, Dad, can you hold this?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wanna go? Bye, guys.
There you go. It's gone. How many points is that one?
Sorry, guys. That is the 100.
A what? Let me see you. 100 for one fish?
Yeah.
Whoa. Hey, good job.
He's a jumper.
Whoa, nice fat one.
He's a jumper. I'm gonna hold him upside down. We're gonna hand him to me.
He's pretty active.
Woo!
He might flip and flop.
He's gonna be a circus actor.
Nice looking fish. It's chrome bright, fresh from the ocean.
Hey, can somebody hold this?
Mm-hmm.
2 hands, upside down. Got him.
Nice.
Now
Look at me. Smile.
Hold him up.
Awesome. Whoa. Nice fish. I can't see him though. There he is. Whoa.
I had to do that.
Yeah.
I had to.
There he is.
Dad,
Yeah,
I'm ready.
ready for what?
The net.
Oh,
See? It's right here.
my.
Teeny.
Sure said that.
That's Teeny, huh? You gonna hold him?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that has to give it to.
Those teeny ones, they wiggle, just so you know.
Yeah. I'm gonna hold him upside down. These are bad pills.
Okay.
So I
I
can
don't know
take a
how this
video.
one was able to see the lure.
Alright. He's so quickly floppy. Hold him upside down. What's that?
It's a tape.
Ooh.
Put him upside down. Come on.
Oh,
Upside down.
there he goes. He's gone.
What happened to him? What is that?
Yeah, the tape one.
Gross.
A tapeworm?
You've seen the lure in the stuff. Raise your rod tip up.
There he is.
Splash pat.
Yeah, Splash Pat. Gonna hold him, Morgan?
Here, hold it. Should I hold it? Wait, can you here,
So clean her mouth first.
give me Give him a little away. He's playing dead. Give him a because he's moving his mouth. And see, he's just coming. Hey, stop it!
Alright, put your hands in there and get him.
Come on.
Whoa.
Big fish! Big fish!
Big fish.